Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Hump Day, Wednesday, January 17th. Man, we just had a meteor land somewhere by us, but I ain't searching it for no meteor rocks. But it was kind of crazy. A loud sonic boom, and it was cold outside, snowing, and now we have an unboxing to do from our good friends over at MunchPak. You guys could save, I think it's 10% off your box. Click on the link down below. Promo code TheStout79, I believe. And get some monthly munchies. Different parts of the world. Or the universe. Here we go. Bada boom. That's how you do it. They got the app. Google and Apple. Oh man. Always looking forward to see what they send us. And we got Nick again. Shout out to Nick over at MunchPak. Whoa. Focus. There we go. And we have first. Boom. Bam. Ba. Peanut snack. Hazelnut cream filling. Ooh. Also we have cheesa. Oh, what is that? Cheese? Cheesa chips. Glico. Cheesa. Oh, it goes with beer. Oh boy. And we have, that's why it's heavy. Okay. What are these? What are these? Whistle candy? Kinda looks like donuts. Interesting. Back of the box. But I think they also have where you can pick your own box and stuff like that. Whoa, that looks good. Soft toasted waffles. Whoa, other waffles. Cinnamon and bourbon vanilla caramel. 2 waffles. That looks good. Same for later. Oh, we got some sour fries. Bobito. Interesting. Gummy French fries. All that good stuff on the back. Alright. What is this thing? Got some cookies probably. I'm not too sure. Looks like, is that a match? Looks like some flame is being added to it. Interesting. Coffee, chips, something new. Okay. Oh, we got some. Oh no. Uh-oh. What is this? From Lay's. Oh, that's shrimp. I can't eat shrimp. I believe that looks like shrimp. Camera's kind of, I don't know if you guys can tell. Bam. Interesting package though for Lay's. I'm used to the bag of bags they have out here. They got onion. But I think that's shrimp. I'm not too sure about that one. Whoa. Looks like those ice cream cones. Oh, this looks good. I got peanuts. Caprico. Good stuff. Japan. Shout out to Japan. And we have a big crunch pepper roll. Oh yeah. And we also have, I remember these. Can't eat them, they got peanuts. Made with real milk chocolate. It's like peanut butter chocolate goodness. Some heavy munchy experience. We got another one of these Finny rollers. Really good sour candy. Kind of like Fruit Low-Ups type. Oh, we got the drink. Ah, these are good. Mega Man, E-Tank. I like these. I had them at this video game store. They sold like the Mario and a few others. Ghostbusters, Slimer. These are good. These are definitely I'll have a drink of a little bit. Kind of like a Red Bull, but less sugar. I don't think any... Oh, there's some niacin. Stuff not too good for you, but this is good stuff right here, though. Here we go. Makes you go Mega Man speed. So like I said, get a monthly supply of goodies. Try something different every month. Click on the link below. And I believe, like I said, if there's a promo code, it might be the Stout 79. But all of it will be down in the description down below. Alright, YouTubers, I got a lot of unboxings to do today. You guys be safe. Check them out, though, if you haven't seen or heard of them yet. Give them a good follow. And that's about it, YouTubers. Boom. Mega Man. And see ya.